Hello, I'm your superhero critic, and I'll stay super as long as you stay awesome. Christmas is right around the corner, but I felt like I needed to add a tie-in to the new movie Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. So why not dive back into the 1960s and take a look at one of my favorite episodes of that show, Electro, the Human Lightning Bolt.
Does whatever a spider can, spins a web any size, catches thieves just like flies. Look out! Here comes the Spider-Man.
I think I'll just double check a few of the usual action spots.
Suddenly, he sees lightning shooting out of Jameson's home, only to find a man in yellow thieving. So he snaps a picture.
Come on out, Spider-Man. You're too old to play hide and seek.
You're never too old for hide and seek. Spidey reconnects the alarm and tries to stop him from leaving, but Electro shocks through his web, and he lets him skate away on power poles.
He got away.
Farewell, Spider-Man.
Powerline skating. Not only is it the best way to travel, but it's also the best way to taunt your opponent while running away. The next morning, Jameson wants Spidey's head and thinks Peter's proof is fake, making him determined to prove himself innocent. Spidey finds Electro and has to use a last resort tactic.
Too long, Spider-Man.
Oh, my face! Except what Spidey threw was not a rock, but a tracer, and Electro figures it out, tricking the web slinger into dealing with the cops.
We've caught you red-handed, Spider.
Hey, coppers, my hands are only red because of my suit. Spidey creates a device to track Electro down, and after a little patrol, our hero finds him and a showdown occurs, resulting in a fireworks show. Spidey then falls into a couple traps, then heads to the Hall of Mirrors.
I will destroy your reflection.
My hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my lovely little lumps. Check it out.
Spidey finally captures Electro by webbing him up and hand delivers him to JJ, who digs in the trash for Parker's pictures.
I don't see how Parker could have known.
Just dumb luck, I guess.
So there it was, 1960s Electro. Nothing more to say. It was the 60s. What do you want? That being said, join me next week as we join Superman in his quest to save Santa Claus.
Friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, wealth and fame, he's ignored. Action is his reward to him. Life is a great big bang. Wherever there's a hang, you'll find a Spider-Man.